I'm up early in the morning and the heat is on. The room is warm right in the front of the bed, but in the back of the bed, like where a headboard would be, y'all, it's freezing cold. Like I literally had to get a plastic down in that hole, tape this up, and this is a big hole, like it's open around here in the drywall. Literally I can feel cold air just literally coming in here, y'all, and it's like 16 degrees. Like when I say it's cold. And then they canceled because Pop is not feeling good, so they're not gonna be here till Thursday. So I'm kind of pissed because I let Nia take the car to work and I could have been running some errands, but I like to be here in case they need me to get stuff. Living in a renovation, like, y'all, this is a true sacrifice. If y'all can tell, like over there you can see it's open, so mind you, it's straight up to the attic, so the cold air is coming straight in. So your girl is improvising and trying to make my room warm.